how to find your Windows product key. So this process is applicable for both Windows 11 or 10. So sometimes we require the product key when you update, or require the driver updation. So sometimes it's required your product key. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find it. So guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. So first thing, we need to go for registry. Come to the in search bar, type for registry, then this link will be come up. Just click on it, then just up, click yes, then this Registry Editor window will be open. Now here we can see these options, these few options, which is key, H key. So we need to go in H key local machine, just expand it like this. Now we go into softwares. Under softwares we need to go in Windows. Sorry, go to the Microsoft. Under the Microsoft, just scroll down. And search for Windows. Under the Windows we need to go in under the window where it is. Let me go for window NT, then current versions. Under the current versions we need to go in that option which is software protection platforms. Just click on it, then this is your product key. You can see this is your product key. So that is how you can find your product key, window product key, window 11 and 10. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.